Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add shipping address to your account on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the last icon down below, which is the Me section. Now tap on the settings icon that you can find at the top of the screen, and that's the third option. After that, select Address Book and click on Add a shipping address, which is now empty. First of all, you need to select your location, so click on it. You have the chance to either type in the name of your location, or you can also scroll down and select from the vast variety of options that you can find here. Then indicate your first and last name, as well as typing in your phone number. Then you should add your city, state, province, postcode, address line, and also your contact email. And you can press the button Save if you are done with all these steps and you have added all the data that you have needed to add in order to complete this shipping address entry. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.